of julie.v.doingitwithme. Today we are making the most to die for burger ever. This chicken burger is super quick and easy, requires almost no effort at all, and will get you a ton of congratulations from whoever you feed it to. So let's get started.
Is to cut our sesame seeded bread rolls, our burger buns, in half using a bread knife. Now we're going to take some butter, and we're going to take our butter and we're going to spread our butter on our roll to moisten the bread. The butter is optional, you don't have to add up the butter. This is just a choice. It is healthier without the butter. Now we've covered our rolls in butter. We're going to take some pink sauce. And I'm just going to pour this pink sauce. It's some salad and French fry dressing. I'm just going to add it here. Our next step is to take one chicken breast, free-range chicken breast. You can buy the chicken burger patties. This is just a lot healthier and sometimes it's cheaper. But here's my one chicken breast. Tenderize it. I'm kidding, we're not tenderizing our chicken today. Let's see, we're gonna unfold it. I'm gonna try and unfold it. Yeah, I think that's as far as it's gonna unfold. I think that's
Our next step is to make the sauce. We're going to mix together some mayonnaise and 1,000 Islands salad and French fry dressing in a bowl. Once we have enough of each ingredient, we're going to stir it together until it is a runny pink sauce. Now we have our sauce. Our next step is to spread it across our burger. We're going to use it to glue down our lettuce if you add lettuce. This is so that it doesn't slip out whilst we are eating it.
Step 8 is to fry our chicken until golden brown on each side. Once it is perfectly cooked, we're going to add a couple slices of cheese until they are fully melted. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you tried at home as well, because I really enjoyed this burger and I think you will too if you just give it a try. Also, before you go, watch out for my next couple of videos, which is going to be a series called julie.v.doingitwithme's Bush Break Special, and it's all about cooking traditional South African food as well as some hints and tips for camping. Thank you so much. Bye!